So what's the first Android app you've ever installed? Are you curious? Let me show you how to find that first app. Start by opening up the Google Play Store. Once it opens, click on your little icon up on top. Next, click on Manage Apps and Devices. Next, select Manage. Next, click on that down arrow by Installed, and you want to select Not Installed. Next, click on Name, and then select Recently Added. This list is in chronological order. So to find out the first app to ever be installed, it's time to scroll all the way down to the bottom. It might take a little while to get there, but eventually you will get there. This might not be 100% accurate because it only lists apps not installed, but you'll probably find a lot of apps that no longer work on modern Android devices. Besides, it's fun to look back in time and see what you did quite some time ago. I hope that satisfied your curiosity. It did mine. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.